Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca has these adorable little holiday hat nail art designs to share with you. And the best part is you'll only need a toothpick to recreate them.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. I've already applied a base coat to protect my natural nails. For this design, you'll want to paint all of your nails sheer. The first nail is Frosty the Snowman's hat. Start off by painting a curved, vertical rectangle with a gray-green polish. When that's dry, fill in the bottom part of the rectangle with black. Use pink to make a 5-petaled flower and then make a blue dot in the center. Finish it off by using the brush from the gray-green polish bottle to paint the brim of the hat. Next up is Santa's hat. Use the brush from a bottle of red polish to make a triangle in the center of your nail. When it's dry, use the brush from a bottle of white polish to make a scalloped edge along the bottom of your nail. At the tip of the triangle, use a toothpick dipped in white polish to make a puff. The next design is an elf hat. Use the brush from a bottle of green polish to make a triangle in the center of your nail. When it's dry, use the brush from a bottle of red polish to carefully make triangles along the bottom edge. To do this, drag the brush on a diagonal. Make a red pom-pom at the top of the hat, and then add a gold dot to the top of each red triangle. This design is Reindeer Antlers. Use a toothpick dipped in brown polish to make a curved line that gets thinner near the bottom. Add another curved line to it to make it into an antler. Make a mirror image of the first antler on the other half of the nail. Finally, we have the Nutcrackers hat. Start off by making a vertical red rectangle on your nail. Make 2 gold dots and connect them with a curved line. Repeat this 2 more times underneath. Finish off the hat by adding a black line at the bottom of the rectangle. Finally, apply a fast-drying top coat to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 5 designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.